Hi, my name is Jay from CISPR. In this video I want to introduce the RAIN RFID reader, the RRU 1400 by Kathrein. The Kathrein RRU 1400 is a small basic RAIN RFID reader with high performance for indoor applications such as logistics, manufacturing, supply chain and for access control. The RRU 1400 creates maximum processing value through CRI, the Kathrein RFID antenna interface, and is a key component for process, digitization and automation. The basic level processing unit allows flexible integration into Industry 4.0 and IoT solutions. The major advantage of this reader is the ability to manage up to 32 antennas with just one reader. The Kathrein RRU 1400 is based on the very latest RFID standards and supports all market-leading transponder chip functions. When you receive the RRU 1400, you will find the reader and a QR code on the box. This code will take you to the appropriate software to download. Kathrein provides a free configuration and installation software called Reader Start that makes it easy for anyone to get started. Additional products such as adapters, antennas and a mounting kit can be found on our webpage. Of course, we can advise you on finding the best accessories for your purpose. The RRU 1400 has an embedded computing module and is very easy to install due to open connectors and FACRA antenna sockets. It has a 30 dBm port power for optimal performance and uses FACRA antenna connectors. Here you see the Gpios for interaction with peripheral devices. It has 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Here you can see the connection for the DC power supply. Any voltage from 10 to 30 VDC is suitable. The terminal block is already included and you can connect an open wire. Or you can use the special power supply unit from Kathrein. The RJ45 connector allows easy installation with standard Ethernet cable to connect the reader to a router or directly to a computer. This connection also enables power over Ethernet, PoE. These colorful LEDs are for better visualizations of read operations, so it will not escape your notice. These specifications are just some of the top features of this reader. As you know, CISPR is a specialty distributor for a wide range of RFID products. If you need more information on this RAIN RFID reader, want to test it or need more advice on other products, please contact us. Thank you very much for your attention and see you next time.